G'day, welcome back. So as you know, recently picked up a new car for the family. It's a 7-seater SUV, a Hyundai Santa Fe 2014 model with a 2.2 litre 200 horsepower diesel engine. Car's great, awesome car, but when it comes to servicing, there's a couple of things you need to know. So just going to have a quick look at a couple of oil filter options. I'll start off by saying I went to my local Hyundai dealer, asked for a price for an oil filter. They said $48.99, which for a paper oil filter is a little bit ridiculous. Put that into context, here in New Zealand, minimum wage $16.50 an hour. To buy yourself an oil filter for your car is 3 hours work. But then of course you've got to pay tax too, so you're looking at half a day's pay to pay for an oil filter for a Hyundai. That's stupid. So, got a couple of different options here. We've got the Ryco, New Zealand, Australia's favourite. Ryco make great filters. These come in at about $22. Also got the Mahle original. Now it turns out Mahle are the OEM supplier for Hyundai, so this is exactly the one you'd get from the dealer, but for $22, same price as this one. So I'll show you the differences, show you why I went with the Mahle over the Ryco, but the Ryco is a good choice. Let's go to the bench. So both of these filters are for the same car. The Hyundai 2.2 diesel, the later version that has the paper element filter. Here we have the Ryco version, the R2700P. And over here we've got the Mahle original OX377D. Start off with the Ryco one. So that comes, stand that up there so you can see it, probably can't. That comes with a paper filter, decent quality, Ryco quality, no questions there. Manufactured 9/10/18 and comes with a couple of washers. Over to the Mahle original. These are the factory supplied filters but in a different box essentially. So start off with the first difference. The Mahle includes new drain plug. Very similar looking filter there, and also got the large rubber grommet there. So very little in the filters. Seems to be a slightly different filter media. I'll trust both of these to do the job. This one's also made October 2018. But yeah, really not much in it in terms of this part, but Mahle, you get a new drain plug for the same price, and the reassurance that that's the one that's supplied by the factory. So yeah, not much in it. I'll probably stick with the Mahle original just because I get those from Micksgarage. I order all my service parts once or twice a year, so covers the cost of it, well, makes the shipping more affordable. Ryco is available from Supercheap. No problem using these, but you don't get the new drain plug. Costs about the same, so I'm probably going to stick with this one. And yeah, good filters. Don't pay $48.99. Go for one of these and do a good job. So there we go. That's our Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 litre diesel oil filters.